Look at her over there. She doesn't know what's going on. I'm gonna have her put some flooring down here. Look at her. Oh yeah. She's texting her boyfriend and then getting on Facebook. What? She'll probably take a selfie. But watch it. Hey, Amanda. Amanda. Yeah, she doesn't know really what's gonna happen here. What we're gonna do is Steven's putting down this vinyl floor. Today is Tech Tuesday, and we're gonna show you how we put vinyl flooring down on these incredible boxes. We're in our assembly line. We're putting up, we just set these 2 walls. We got another wall right here that we're getting ready to set. Those are our suction cups, and we've got Amanda on the floor today. Look at it. This is a little dolly that we move the houses around. This is George. And what they do is they'll take the front of that house and move it. And that's what we call our siege tower from Game of Thrones. And it goes around the entire circumference of that house. And after the roof's on, we move all the houses down the line, move this one down the line. And as you can see, they're getting ready to put another wall together and finish this house. All right, let's see if I can get her off her phone and socialize. But can you hear me? Hey, sweetheart.
Don't call me sweetheart. I don't think am I on?
You ready?
Okay.
You're not. You know what? You didn't come equipped for Tech Tuesday.
I've got my boots on and I've got my safety glasses on. I gotta quit texting my boyfriend.
See, I told you. She's got men all over the place. All right. So I'm gonna put this on the tripod, and we're gonna show you how to put down this flooring.
Okay.
Now, first of all, this is a 3/4 inch Advantech subfloor, tongue and groove down the middle there. You can see it's tongue and groove there. And Amanda, you're going to learn how to put that flooring down.
Oh my gosh.
Now the only thing is,
okay.
I wanted to get it before we got too far out in there because now you're going to have to get up on the house. Get on your knees.
Well, I need some knee pads.
I know, and I was looking for some.
Do we have knee pads?
I'm going to go see if I can find some knee pads.
Okay.
I'm sure you keep everybody occupied.
I'm sure so. I'm sure.
Ooh, you almost said it. It's a shirt show.
Amanda's got to put her church mouth on.
It's a shirt show.
Look, I got to switch mouths. Okay.
Okay, I got to get you some knee pads.
All right, well, let's look for some. We can stop it.
Oh, is that, we can? Thank you
If you want to.
Thanks for giving me the authority, Amanda, to stop it.
You're welcome.
Okay, so this is how it's done. He does not have knee pads on. Okay, so this is how it's done, and I'm trying to watch while Randy goes and looks for knee pads. Oh, look, he is not looking for knee pads. Look what he's doing. He's over here talking. There's Randy right there. So he's not even looking for me any knee pads. I'm on my own. I mean, what's new? You know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's see how he does this here because yeah, I've got to have some knee pads. I used to wear knee pads playing volleyball. I love to play volleyball, but I have to have knee pads. And I don't know how he's doing it without it. I mean, he's young. That's why. Look at him jumping around like a bullfrog. I mean, he can get around real good. I'm just a little bit older than him. So he's getting the flooring over there. Bringing it over here, and we're gonna lay it down. So, oh, okay, so we're on this side. So maybe I won't need knee pads because he's gonna start at the end right there. He's measuring it right there. I mean, the guys are doing something at all times to try to, keep this process going because it starts over here, then it comes here to the flooring. And, they talked about doing the flooring first because it's too hard once they have the walls up and everything like that. It's too difficult to be in there and doing that flooring. So what they do now is they put the flooring down and they cover it up with plastic or paper or whatever they do so it won't get scuffed, so it won't get hurt. They've been putting some kind of really squishy kind of like vinyl, like a vinyl flooring or something like that, what was it used to be, the big rolls of flooring we used to have in our houses and stuff like that. So they put like a big piece of that where it's cushiony and it won't damage the floor. So that was the reasoning to do the flooring early on at the beginning of the line instead of at the end of the line. So, all right, so we'll see what he can teach me.
Get up here.
Oh, look, what am I, how am I going to get up there?
Put your foot right there. Put that foot right there.
Damn. I got to have something to stand on to get up there.
Here, I'm going to stand on me.
No.
Here, go. Go. Wow. Just like grinding in my back, Amanda.
Okay.
All right. So
All right.
this is
So-
vinyl plank siding,
Okay.
flooring that you get at Lowe's.
Okay.
At any flooring or Home Depot. Let me show everybody this. So it has a tongue, and it kind of doesn't have a groove. It has kind of a flap on both sides, and one's up and one's down. So she's going to have to put this together. Now the first piece is pretty easy.
Okay.
All right. So
Good.
tell you what, I need to get that camera and zoom in on you doing this.
Okay.
So hang on here. Let's go. Let me zoom in.
Huh? I know, look at me. This is what it's come to, Billy, right here. This is it. I'm on the line. You're going to be my boss.
All right.
You're going to be my boss, Billy.
All right, Amanda.
You going to be able to handle me?
Hey, you got to quit socializing.
I like to socialize. I talk too much. He goes, I know.
Billy!
Billy knows. All right, what do
All
I
right.
do?
My gosh, this is Tech Tuesday here.
My God, you mean you have to put the box up here and you got to put all the stuff
you
up
see
here?
this tongue right here?
Okay.
I gotta have somebody run this camera for me.
Well, get Alyssa
All right,
too.
so look here. That tongue
Okay,
right here.
I see it.
And then you got this. The bottom of this is got to go right on top of that, right?
Okay.
But you got to do the whole length of it at one time. So let
All
me
of it at
back
one
up
time.
a little bit.
Okay.
Let me back up, and then we'll show.
My knees are going to be like
Oh, you got a cushion.
smashed.
All right.
It's a hard
So what we
cushion.
do, look, so what we do is we put the tongue and line it all the way up,
Okay,
and I'll slide it down to here,
okay.
right? Now you got to put both hands on this right here.
Oh, but it hurts my knees.
How can it hurt your knees? You got a pad.
It's hard. It's a hard pad. Okay, what do you mean do?
We're supposed to do this to let everybody know at home they can do it.
Oh,
Look, I got sweat dripping off my nose.
okay. All right, so
All right,
what do I need
you
to
gotta
do?
grab it here,
Okay.
grab it here,
All right.
right? And you're gonna lift it up,
Okay.
and you're gonna push it in,
Okay,
right?
right there.
And then you can see this line. See how nice and tight it is?
Yeah.
Now look, we're away from the wall down here. So
Oh.
so what we do is we can scoot it like
Okay.
that, and then watch your fingers
Mash it in. Okay.
and push it down.
Oh, that's,
And that
that's
was
flat.
it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next one, tell you what, let's go down there and connect it so we don't get too far past this one, okay?
All right.
All right, let's go down there. All right, so there she is. Prove that she's up here. Now we're going to put this other piece, and we're going to join that one and go that way. It's a
With this
little bit
one.
different than what we just did.
Okay.
Let's see here. I'm going to zoom in for you guys so we can kind of see what's going on. Right there. All right, Amanda, I'm going to come up here
All right.
and help you. So,
So I'll put this one.
okay, so what you have to do,
All right.
okay, you got to flip this around because you got to have this. See that tongue there?
Oh, I just seen that. Okay,
goes
so
on
there's
top
that.
of-
It goes on top of that. Okay,
So we're
now
gonna
I
flip
see.
it over.
Yep.
Now this, you got to worry about this one too, right? So what we're doing is you're going to get it in here,
Okay.
right?
So you get it in there first.
Yep. And then both hands. You got to get both hands, and you got to work it.
Okay.
Yep. Now look. See this edge here?
It ain't going in.
It will. Yep. So what I do is I pick up both of them. See how? But you got to hang on that end, Mandy.
Oh, okay, there. I got it.
All right. Now
I
we're
got
gonna
it.
go down.
Ow! Ow! I got my finger! You didn't tell me you was gonna mash it down.
And then I kind of give it the old love tap.
Okay, I got it.
All right. Look. See that? Now this seems nice and tight.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do another one right here. Let me check my camera and see if I can see. We're on there.
We're gonna do another one right here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Let me see. Make sure.
Let me get it.
We're gonna move the
Let me
camera to right there.
Okay.
Let me
So-
zoom out so they all know what's going on. There she is.
So this piece, there's the, what do you call that? A lip part?
Yeah, we'll call that a lip, Amanda.
Okay. So I take it,
All right, let's take it.
and I got to do the end first. Hold
Now
on.
you got it. Yep.
Hold on, I got to do the end. Let me do it by myself. I can do this. Hold on. Okay.
So that's got to lift up high.
High.
Yep, see how it
Like
fell
that.
in? Yep, now you can't come too close.
Oh,
'cause
there it
then-
is.
Yep.
It's in. It clicked. Now I
Then
got
you
to
lift
take.
up this way,
Okay.
all the way down. Okay.
And work it in.
And I pull it tight, right?
Yeah.
Good.
There.
And look, tight, tight, tight. Done.
Yeah. Got it.
And
Okay.
that's it.
Oh. Well,
And
there we go.
You can do another one there.
Okay.
So if you want to move your
Well, I
little
gotta move
pad.
all. Ooh. Move all this. Okay. Well, I've run out of my little knees here. Okay. Any piece? Or does it have to come out of the same box?
No, it's all of them have the same lock.
Okay.
So let's see if this one has to be cut. Nope, we're good.
Oh.
All right.
All right.
So you
So
got,
let me lift it
so you
up.
got this tongue,
Yeah.
and then you got this tongue. See? It's gonna go right on there. So go ahead.
Okay. So I take it high up. Hold on. Let me do it. Let me see.
I'm gonna get it.
Well, okay, hold on. All right, there it is. Now I have to go. Oh, okay, hold on. I got it. Hold on.
There.
Yep,
Snap,
got it.
Snap. Done.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Look at me. That one? Yeah, I got it. That was it. Yeah.
Let me get this camera and show how well it put together.
I'll put another one right here.
So there's her seam right there.
Did you show them? That's the lip part.
Wait a minute. Yeah.
Okay.
Put another one there.
To go up high. Okay, hold on. Let me get both hands. Pull
Yeah.
it in.
Look at you.
I got it.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, and that seam is beautiful,
Yeah.
tight.
Look. Nice.
Beautiful. And then
That
down
is
there,
easy.
we got a cutter. You
So
got to
you
piece
have to
it
cut
in.
it then.
Yep,
Okay.
piece it in.
I got it.
Hot dog.
Yeah. And this is just vinyl flooring?
Final
Is that
floor.
what it is?
Amanda, can you see how quick this would go?
That would go very quick.
Like bam, 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 bam.
Yeah, except for the cutting part.
The
Except for
cutting.
the
So
cutting
what
part.
we do to be really efficient, we'll stair step it. So we could come down here and run
I'll show
a
you.
row, right?
So you could do all the big long pieces first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what we do is we stair step it, and you go boom, 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 boom like this.
And then do all
and
your
then one
cutting.
guy's cutting, and we're filling, cutting, filling.
Oh,
done.
that would go really fast.
About 45 minutes to an hour.
That is
Done.
way easier than what I thought it would be.
And you know what I like about it? You remember we used to do wood floors?
Now listen, hardwood flooring, I saw you all do that. That looked hard to me.
It's a little more laborious, but
Yeah.
I like the way it looks. But this stuff here, we had so many callbacks that people didn't like it separating. It was a yellow pine.
Yeah.
I actually loved all that wood. But we had so many callbacks, people not knowing how to care for their floors, and it wouldn't finish right. And so this is semi-waterproof.
This is very nice.
I mean, if you flood, the house is going to get wet.
Yeah,
but
of
you
course.
could throw a whole glass of water on here, wipe it up.
You have time to wipe it up. You spill
do.
something on it, you have time to wipe it up.
Yes.
Dogs getting on it, them with their water bowls
It's
and all that
durable.
stuff.
And if they ever wanted to replace it, it's super easy to pick up and put a new floor down.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it's not as expensive as wood. I'm not going to say what I am that I would normally say. People wouldn't know this about me, but I have quite a trashy mouth.
No, you don't.
Oh, I don't. Never mind, I don't. No, I
Please.
don't.
Poo-poo. And now this is a piece of foam. If you don't
Yeah.
have knee pads, anything soft, rolled up piece like a yoga
Yeah.
mat, anything you could use on here. And as you can see,
Because you know what? Save your knees. I mean, whether you
Right.
you need to save your knees regardless.
and that's good and soft. Now
Yeah.
to cut this, you can actually use a razor knife.
Yeah.
You know, if you want to. We've got a shear that we just cut it with, and it's done. But it's really super easy.
Can I tell you something that Jason is doing at my house? I know, I don't know if many people know who Jason is that works here and he helps me at my house and stuff. I have to show you the picture, Randy, but he has taken this flooring. Okay, he's very artsy.
Yeah.
So, you know, he's doing a window in my house. We got a discounted box of tile, like glass tile.
Okay.
It was like $10. So I bought it and he said, let me do something with your window. So he's putting glass tile, I don't know, about 8 or 10 of them, in different spaces, and he is cutting this flooring and making little pieces, and it looks like tile. And he's doing that on around my window.
I need to video that.
Yeah, I should.
Yeah, let's go see what it looks like.
Well, I didn't even think of that. I'll video it tonight, what he's done, and show, but he is cutting pieces like this, little squares, and he is just using his, because I told him I don't care. Everybody knows about my house. I don't care what you do there.
Right.
Just whatever you want to do. And he is being so creative, but that's what this flooring, and it looks like actual tile.
Well, that's what I think is unique about these homes.
I do too.
You can put anything you want.
Anything you want.
They're made to have fun with, everybody. These homes are made to be creative. That's what the time
Well,
is supposed to be.
another thing too is that what Jason does is the scraps that are not usable here, that's what he uses at my house. So we kind of take a pride in that, because Randy's always, that's how he started it, is you use
all the scrap.
Use all the scrap wood,
well, your
scrap
back
everything.
porch, he's got stuff hanging, woodwork in.
It's all scrap,
love
guys, and he takes it and he makes it look beautiful. And so before you throw something in the trash, really look at it and say, is there another use for that?
Yeah.
You know?
I seen a guy when I was in Nevada at Scott's cabin.
Yeah.
They took a 4x4s and or a 4x3, just a
yes,
like a beam, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's only they could only use. He had a bunch of scrap. They were a foot long.
Yeah.
So he cut them all 1/4 inch. Cutter.
Yeah.
Made tile out of them. Put them on the wall.
Be creative.
He sanded it.
Mm-hmm.
It looked like wood grain tile.
Yeah.
It was beautiful.
You know, he's also took a tree, cut up, sliced it up, has put it on the ground, and is putting spray foam somehow and sand, I don't know, and he's going to polyurethane it.
Oh my God.
Wait till you see, I don't know.
Yeah, the cedars, yeah.
I'll show you the before and then I'll show you the after.
That's
so,
cool.
yeah, so this was fun.
All right.
Tech Tuesday, we're going to try and do this every Tuesday. And we're using me because if anybody knows me, all I like to do is socialize and talk, right?
Yes.
I like to socialize and talk. I'm not like, I love to mow, I love to do things like that, but I'm not a builder. I don't like to put things together. I don't like to do any of that stuff, but I just don't like it anyway. When I go into Lowe's, I look for a man. I'm like, where's a man? I need a man. Give me a man, I need somebody, or a woman, whatever, whoever can help me. But I want to show you if I can do it, anybody can do it, literally, because this is not my thing. I don't get on Pinterest. I don't build shelves. I don't do none of that stuff.
No.
No. You go, no.
No, not at all.
No.
Good. Well, thank you.
So
That's
Tech
awesome.
Tuesday, yeah.
All right.
Vinyl flooring. Be sure and share this video, like this video. We are going up. Thank you guys so much. We are going up in our subscribers.
Aw.
We are like at almost 179,000 subscribers.
Nice.
We are hoping to hit 200,000 subscribers this year.
Yeah.
That's amazing for YouTube.
Yeah. It took us 6 years to get 100,000.
Oh my gosh, it took a
And
long
we might
time.
get another 100 in a year.
Maybe, we'll see.
Yeah.
All right, thank you guys. Tech Tuesday, be sure and get you some vinyl flooring and try it out and put it down.
What are we doing next Tuesday?
It's gonna be a surprise. We'll
All
let
right.
you know.
See ya.
All right, bye.